super active, super active lightning. Eh? Super active lightning takes 2 trazodone 100 milligrams, which is supposed to knock him out for after 1 or 2 hours, was still running around like the tiger he is. And now after 3 hours and a half, he's a little tired. He's a little tired. Here's something I cannot do usually. Hey, open your mouth, buddy. Open your mouth. Come on, open. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Look. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Look at that, huh? Yeah, look at that. Oh, good boy. Oh, poor guy, huh? Trazodone. It takes 3 hours and a half to knock him out. So, next vet visit, I won't give him a med like 1 hour before. I'll give him his meds about 3 hours before. And then I'll take him to the vet. So, 3 hours and a half he'll be in the vet with the vet. So nice. He's not gonna try to bite the vet. Alright, Lightning. Enjoy your good relaxing evening.